Good morning from the slush coast here at Snowshoe Mountain for the final weekend of Mid-Atlantic skiing. We're expecting 60-mile-an-hour winds today. I believe the lifts are going to end up on a wind hold, and I'm not going to be able to get on the hill. But we're out here showing our dedication early in the morning. It's 8 in the morning. There's nobody out here. In fact, I'm the only one staying at this hotel. So I'll check back in with you guys. Putting our skis on for the final time of the season. Nostalgic. I feel like no one's expected to be out here skiing, right?
You may be the only one. I don't know.
Let's go.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Oh, 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 says it's on her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. Put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for you? Yeah, yeah, no. Don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? And baby, you're one too. Looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never forgive enough unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please your pretty Caroline.
Wind is whipping, it's picking up. Lifts were placed on a hold, I believe, around 2 p.m. But we got in from 9 a.m. up until about 1 p.m. of straight shred, and there was not a soul on the mountain. So for y'all thinking, put the hiking shoes on, you should have got your ski boots on one last time. What a season of Mid-Atlantic skiing with you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking it out. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Waking up early, getting the Red Bull sugar-free. All of it's part of the routine. Thanks for checking us out this season. Mid-Atlantic season has officially concluded from Snowshoe Mountain.
No. Pretty